Vituity is a physician partnership first and foremost, and it started around 50 years ago as a way for physicians to meet the needs of the patients and share their same problems and solutions together. So with healthcare, it brings a really unique set of security challenges because it's not just the company's data that we want to keep safe. It's not just patient data that we want to keep safe. It's the actual patients themselves that we need to protect. And so in InfoSec, it's a really sort of juicy target for adversaries to try to get that data, to resell that data, to use that data. And so, that attack chain, I think, is much broader for the healthcare space and for Vituity directly. Our school of thought is you should use technology to fight technology. And if the attackers now are using sophisticated techniques with AI, we should be using sophisticated techniques with AI to combat that. So it's really important to have an AI and ML-based security solution that sits alongside of our existing security stack.
A traditional secure email gateway has some limitations, and it's a much more complicated product just to keep running and to configure and to maintain and get it to work effectively. So the most important elements that we were looking for in an email solution, well, first and foremost is how effective is it at detecting malicious emails, and also how effective is it in not generating false positives. Secondary would also be the ease of use. One of the things that really surprised us during the POV was just how effective the remediation of malicious emails was. It was catching many, many messages that we just hadn't been aware of, and our email gateway was not already remediating that, but Abnormal did catch those, and we were able to act on those even during the initial POV.
So Abnormal's really helped with de-risking of emails as the most significant vector that exists for putting our patient data at risk. So I think the security team sleeps a lot easier. I would see Vituity continuing to use Abnormal as Abnormal expands its portfolio, using this sort of tried and true AI and ML processes that work. So we're excited to see what new products are on the horizon, and also to see how our current security can be augmented with next-gen sort of techniques and tooling.